guys, good day. This is Manang Jesay again. And kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in this video guys, I want to share you how to join TPC or being a TPC retailer. So, what is TPC? TPC stands for Telepreneur Corporation. First question. Paano ba ako makasali sa TPC for being a TPC retailer? So, first, kailangan mo munang magbayad ng 300 pesos for your activation. Sa 300 pesos na yan, pwede na yung makapag-load kasi meron yung 100 load wallet na pwede nating i-enjoy. Second question. After activating my account, pwede na ba akong makapag-load agad? The answer is yes. Pwede. Kasi sa activation na yan, sa 300 activation, meron na yung 100 load wallet. Saan ako pwedeng makapag-activate ng account? The answer is sa inyong mga kilala na dealer or retailer. So, kung wala kayong mahanap guys, pwede kayong mag-message sa akin kasi pwede din akong makapag-activate ng account for being a retailer also. So, noted guys, I'm not a dealer, I'm a retailer. So, ang package na binili ko is 300 pesos packages. Okay. Kung may katanungan kayo guys, pwede kayong mag-comment sa comment section and para naman mabasa ko, or pwede kayong mag-message sa akin, ilagay ko lang yung link sa description box. I hope guys you've learned something in this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.